Yes, ma'am.
Osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis. We are now addressing the bones, right? Joints and bones. Calcium. Yes, we do.
You say bioelectrical?
Bioelectric would help. But then the salve would be good too. But then she will have to take something with calcium. That is why I recommend when there's a disease such as osteoporosis, and others, you have to take the whole treatment. Because in the treatment you get calcium, phosphorus, and all the necessary minerals, Like in the case of osteoporosis, the bones. Sure. But you could take that and see how the person would feel. It works anyway.
Inguinal hernia.
Which one?
Inguinal hernia.
I had one of them. And depending how far it is in stage, what's happening, because it means that the intestine at some point is weakened, and then it is filled with toxins, and it's very painful. It paralyzes parts of the body sometimes. Depending on the stage of it will determine whether there is a chance to do it with herbs. There is always a chance that the person abstained from eating. The body will release the toxin and strengthen those, elastic fibers. Sure. Thank you.